Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma. The goal of every living organism, including plants, is to create offspring for the next generation. How does pollen get from one flower to another? Flowers must rely on vectors to move pollen. These vectors can include wind, water, birds, insects, butterflies, bats, and other animals that visit flowers. We call animals or insects that transfer pollen from plant to plant pollinators. Virtually all of the world's seed plants need to be pollinated. Pollination is not just fascinating natural occurrence. It is an essential ecological survival function. Without pollinators, the human race and all of Earth's terrestrial ecosystems would not survive. Of the 1,400 crop plants grown around the world, which produce all of our food and plant-based industrial products, almost 80% require pollination by animals. Visits from bees and other pollinators also result in larger, more flavorful fruits and higher crop yields. Other than crop production, pollination has huge environmental effect. Flowering plants produce breathable oxygen by utilizing the carbon dioxide produced by plants and animals as they respire. Pollinators are key to reproduction of wild plants in our fragmented global landscape. Without them, existing populations of plants would decline, even if soil, air, nutrients, and other life-sustaining elements were available. The water cycle depends on plants to return moisture to the atmosphere, and plants depend on pollinators to help them reproduce. The secret bond of the partnership is that neither plant nor pollinator populations can exist in isolation. Human activity has put a large pressure on pollinators by both increasing their demand while at the same time removing their habitat. We must do our bit to protect pollinators around us. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.